Okay, let's look at number 4. We're going to run through these just real quick, a quick overview, because this says without a unit circle or without a calculator, which means you need to use the unit circle. Okay, that's what that means. Evaluate each trig function. So let's look at these. I'll pull up a completed unit circle. And here we have the cosine of 7 pi over 6. So 7 pi over 6 is, you can't really see, point, here we go. So is right down here. Okay, so cosine is on the x value of the ordered pairs. So the answer there is just a negative square root of 3 over 2. Okay, next we have the cosecant of 2 pi over 3. So when we see cosecant, that means 1 over sine of 2 pi over 3. So I'll pull that unit circle back up. We have the sine of 2 pi over 3. So 2 pi over 3 is up here. And sine is our y value, so that's square root of 3 over 2. So we have 1 over the square root of 3 over 2, which is 2 over the square root of 3. Rationalize, and our answer is 2 square root of 3 over 3. So those are our answers for those two. Let's look down now at secant. So secant is 1 over cosine, so we're looking at 5 pi over 4. So let's pull up our unit circle. And we're looking for 5 pi over 4 is down here. 5 pi over 4, we're looking at cosine, so it's square root of 2 over 2. So we have 1 over the negative square root of 2 over 2, which means we have negative 2 over square root of 2. Rationalize. And we have 2 square root of 2 over 2. Those are negative. 2's cancel. We have negative square root of 2. Okay, then we're looking at cosecant, negative 330. So cosecant is, so negative 330. So this is 1 over sine, so let's write that down. Negative 330. So remember that means we're looking backwards on our unit circle. So if we look at this unit circle, 330 is down here at 11 pi over 6. And if we are looking backwards, so if that's forwards all the way around your unit circle except for 30 degrees, then that means we go back to 0 and we're going to go this way all the way around our unit circle except for 30 degrees. So there we are, we're at 30 degrees. So the sine of negative 330 is the same thing as sine of 30. Okay, so we will take the sine of 30. So here's 30 degrees. Sine is our y value, so that's 1/2. So we have 1 over 1/2, which will give us 2. Because you flip the 1/2, you get a whole 2. Okay, so that's our answer there. Now let's look at sine of 11 pi over 6. Well, we were just kind of there. 11 pi over 6 is down with a regular 330. And when we're looking at sine, we get our y value. This time it's negative. So we have a negative 1/2. Then tangent. So when we look at tangent, we're doing sine over cosine. So we need both the sine of 3 pi over 4 and the cosine of 3 pi over 4. So when we look there, we're going to go to 3 pi over 4, looking around our unit circle, it's up here. So we have sine over cosine. Sine is square root of 2 over 2. Cosine is negative square root of 2 over 2. So we have square root of 2 over 2 over square root of 2 over 2, negative. These are the same thing, so our answer is just negative 1. And those are the answers to all of those problems.